Yes, today I want to show you a beautiful AI, and it's free to use that you can use to create images, realistic images. Have you been paying for graphic designs, or you're a graphic designer and you search for how you source out in different areas to get people's work done perfectly? With this AI, you can do it within seconds, split of seconds. You get the best graphic design that you have ever wanted, that will boost your visibility out there. Today I'm going to share that with you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ifeoma Joy and this is Ifeoma Joy TV. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and then turn on the notification bell so you can get my videos whenever I upload. So today I'll be sharing with you an AI that can help you create realistic images, 3D images, in fact different images, cartoon images that we talk, as in give inscriptions, and then you can use them to brand up your business. So stick with me as we go right into the practical aspect of this AI, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I share a lot of business tips here and how to grow in our businesses with biblical principles. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell so you can continually get my videos whenever I upload them. Thank you. Stick around. Let's go dive into the training aspects. And the app we're going to be using for this image creation is called the Bing app. All right. Now, if you go to your Play Store, you can download the Bing app there. If not, if you don't want to download the app, you can search for it on Google. Here you type in Microsoft. I already have it here, so I'll click on it. Microsoft Bing Image Creator. That is the link. Name to type. Image creator for Microsoft designers, right? That's it. So you can click on the first one here. If you see anyone that has sponsored on it, please don't click on it. You can click the first one here. So by the time it opens, here it says create act from words with AI. So describe what you like to create. Here you can type in what you like to create. If you click join and create, it will request for login details. It says sign in with a personal account or sign in with a work for school account. Sign in with a work for school account. Now this is where you need to, let's say you're using this, you click on it, it opens up here. I would advise you create a new account, because when I was doing I tried using my email, because it's as if you can use any email, but it didn't work. I have to create an Outlook account, so you have to create a new account with them here by clicking create one. All right, here it is. So you put in the name you want. When you click on next, the same way you open other email, I don't want to create an account. That is why I'm just showing you this. I already have the app on my phone. So the same way you create your other email account, the same thing will be needed here. When you click on next, it will ask you to retype the email name. Then you complete the creation and login direct. So I'm using the app because it's already on my phone. So this is the app, the Bing app. When you download it, or on getting to Play Store or Google Store, Google Play Store, you get it like that, the Bing app. When it opens this way, you click this way on the apps, you click there, it brings you different features. Then you click on create image. So we're here now. I already have some images I've created before. Look at them. I've created all this before, and it works for thumbnails also. You can use it to create thumbnails like this one now. What I have
here, this is a prompt. This is where you need to work on very well. That why you need to work on this place very well is so that the image creator can give you the right image you need for whatsoever reason you're using it for. So you have to know how to type in the image, because it's what you give it, that is what is going to bring out for you. The same way they say the learning what computer is then in school, they'll tell you computer means garbage in and garbage out. That's the simple definition for computers. The same thing applies in this AI. The thing you give it is what is going to bring out back for you. So you have to be very careful when you're typing in anything, so you don't get discouraged by the time it's bringing the image that doesn't suit your taste. Per day you have 15 images to create, and this 15 is not just one image, right? It is a batch of 4. Like this one now is a creation. 1 2 3 4 is a creation, so you get 4 creations the same way in 15 places per day. It is absolutely free, totally free. You're not subscribing anything here. Look at the prompt here now. I say make an attention grabbing YouTube thumbnail that has the image of a young beautiful Nigerian lady. The thumbnail is for a video teaching on this to watch out on. I made a mistake here, on things to watch out for that kills businesses. It should be on things, sorry, on things to watch out for that kills businesses. Now after typing this, I click on create. Here we are, it's done. You see, these are what it has given us. This is the image it has given us. It brings up things that is not in alignment with what you really want. There is a way we can correct this. There is a way you can edit it out. All right, this is another one. You can possibly use this too. It's very beautiful. This one too is beautiful. This one too is beautiful. This, you know, this can be edited. We can cover this up and type in what we really want here, and that I'll be teaching in my next video. So what really matters is the prompt. Let's take for instance, how will you save when if at all you like this or you like this, what you just do is to click on this the three dot here, then you see download, then you click on download. It's downloaded into your gallery, so whenever you want to use it, you can possibly go there and use it. So prompt you type in really matters. Let's do another example of what you would need to type. Let's say you have a bakery where you bake cakes. Let's put in create an image of a young beautiful woman. Why you need to put Nigeria is because sometimes if you just type in young beautiful woman, it can bring you a white, and that is not what we want to use, right? So create an image of a young beautiful Nigerian lady or woman or man or boy or girl or child that is carrying a tray full of different snacks, and her background has an inscription, and the inscription reads Joyce Cakes. Joy Bakes, let's say Joy Bakes. Joyce, then she is putting on a t-shirt, a t-shirt that has an inscription, and the inscription reads Joy Bakes. Let's go, you click on create. And here we are, so beautiful. You see, this is, maybe you bake and you want to go viral with your bakes on Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere. You can post all this very beautiful Joyce Bakes. They get this very, very beautiful. You see, very beautiful. These are so beautiful images. All right, and you can type in, if you want a 3D, you type 3D. If you want an image or picture or whatsoever, and I tell you, there is still another method of changing this face here to your own personal face. So that's the beauty of this app, this Bing app. Get it downloaded on your phone and start going viral with beautiful images that sells your brand. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, for I'll be bringing you a lot of ways to move your business online and offline. Thank you.